Hello, good morning everyone. How are you people? I hope everyone is in the good health. Fine, girls. So now let us start with the next topic of our unit 4th. It is Introduction to Garbage Collection. Now, girls, what you mean by garbage? Garbage, anything which is, a waste material is said to be garbage. Now, this garbage, when we use in the subject of computer science, it means the data which is not in use. See, in computer science, when we deal with computers, when we deal with memory, it is very important for us to manage the space available. We always keep the time and the memory space in check, right? So now if the memory allocated for any variable is getting wasted in the sense after the variable is used, and if we are not using it in the coming programs, or we haven't used that variables like for some time, then what happens, the memory that is allocated for the variable is simply getting wasted. Now this variable space is known to be garbage. This variable is said to be garbage value. So now there are many high level programming languages which what they do, they provide us with mechanisms, with smart mechanisms where the programmer need not bother about the deletion of this garbage values. It is done automatically, and this system is known as garbage collection. Fine. So, garbage collection is a type of memory management which automatically cleans up the data which is not being used for some time. I hope the introduction to garbage collection is clear to everyone. Fine, girls. Now, the next thing. See, garbage collection. Why we are studying this garbage collection topic? It is one of the best feature that is provided by the compiler. Fine. The compiler provides this feature, and hence we are studying the garbage collection. Here you can see that I have this diagram, which is the example, which is an illustration of garbage collection. See, at the top I have a heap which is initially free, then I have used a memory space out of it for a variable a, and because it's the first variable in the heap, it becomes the root. Fine, girls. Then I have allocated another variable b, and a is linked to b. Sorry, this is not there. Okay, so a is linked to b. Now eventually I'm adding up c, d and e to the heap. Now how I'm allocating it, the variable a is having a link to b, like it is having, the variable a is having a pointer to the object b, and it is also having a pointer to object c. Similarly, B is having a pointer to object D, and C is having a pointer to object E. So in this way they are linked to each other. What happens, like after some time, it might so happen that the link which was linking A and B has lost. Like A is not having the pointer which was pointing to B. So the link is lost now. So what happens in this case? In this case, B, which cannot be reached by the root object, becomes completely waste, useless, garbage. Got the point? Because root is not pointing to B, it becomes garbage. And also to observe here, B was pointing to D. But now because B has become garbage, D also becomes the garbage value. So in our illustration, we have A, C and E as the objects, and B and D as the garbage value. Now, this, how we have identified this garbage values, what we have done for that, we have seen the links. Yes, we have seen the links, like A was linked to B or not, B is linked to C or not, C is linked to D or not. In this way we have, like, we have checked for the links, and eventually we came up with this. We have finalized B and D as the garbage values. So this tracing of this thing, of identifying the garbage values by channeling the objects, by linking the objects, is known as tracing. What it is known as? The the system or the mechanism to identify the garbage values by channeling the objects, by linking the objects, is known as tracing. So, firstly, let me also say you this over here. Garbage collection, I hope everyone is clear with garbage collection. So now, to in order to carry out this garbage collection, we have four algorithms altogether. What are those algorithms? It is mark sweep algorithm, mark compact algorithm, copying garbage collector algorithm, and reference counter. Among the four algorithms, the first three algorithms belong to tracing technique. It belongs to tracing technique, like mark sweep, mark compact, and copying garbage collector. How they work? They identify the garbage by channeling the objects, by linking the objects and seeing which object is without the link to the root. If there is any object, if there is any memory space which is not linked with the root, then it is said to be garbage. This technique is known as tracing technique. The fourth algorithm, that is reference counter algorithm, belongs to the direct technique. However, this reference counter is not included in your syllabus. You only have the tracing thing. I hope I am clear. Yes, girls. So now, what we have studied in this video, we have studied what is meant by garbage collection, and what are the algorithms, and what is meant by tracing. The tracing technique, I'll be more on the tracing technique, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you, girls. Bye.